So what if your child is hiding something from you? Not because they want to lie, but because they don't feel safe enough to tell you. Yes, you. Now, let me ask you something. When you were younger, did you tell your parents everything? Or did you filter your truth? Now, think about your child. Are they open with you or just careful around you? Because children don't just wake up one day and decide to keep secrets. They learn when it is safe to speak and when it is safer to stay silent. And today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to make sure your child chooses honesty, not hiding. So stay with me, because number 4 is underestimated, but it changes everything. Number 1, control your first reaction. Your child comes to you and say, "Mom, I did something wrong." Now pause. That moment is everything. If your reaction is anger, shouting, or disappointment that feels heavy, your child learns something instantly. Next time, don't say anything. But if your reaction is calm, present, and open, they learn this is a safe place. Now ask yourself honestly. When your child tells you the truth, do they feel relief or do they feel fear? Now let's move on to number 2. Ensure you listen without rushing to fix. Sometimes children don't need correction first. They need understanding. But many parents do this. Before the child finishes talking, you interrupt, you correct, you conclude. And slowly, you know what this does? The child stops explaining. Because in their mind, you already know everything. Mommy knows, daddy knows. Mind readers. Now think about this. When your child speaks, do you listen to understand or to respond? Now let's proceed on to number 3. Remove shame from your correction. A child shares something vulnerable and hears, "How could you do that? What is wrong with you?" At the top of your voice. But now pause, because correction is needed, but shame is demanded. Shame doesn't teach. What it does is that it silences. And when a child feels ashamed, they don't open up again. They hide. So now ask yourself, when your child makes a mistake, do they feel guided or do they feel judged by you? Now this next one is the most underestimated, but it quietly determines everything. So ensure you watch till the end. Build daily connection, not just during problems. Many parents only become emotionally available when something goes wrong, and that in itself is a mistake. Because connection is not built in crisis, it is built in everyday moments, such as talking, laughing, being present, listening without pressure. Because when connection is strong daily, communication becomes natural. Now imagine this. A child who talks to you every day will not suddenly hide things from you. So now you ask yourself, do you only talk deeply with your child when correcting them, or even when nothing is wrong? Now this brings me to number 5. Make honesty feel safe, not risky. Now this is the foundation. If a child tells you the truth and the outcome is punishment, anger, or distance, next time they will choose silence. But if honesty leads to guidance, understanding, and calm correction, they will choose truth. Again and again and again. It becomes natural with them because they feel safe saying it around you. Now think deeply. What does honesty cost your child in your home? Because children don't keep secrets because they want to deceive you. They keep secrets because they don't feel safe enough to be seen fully. So the real question is not, why is my child hiding things? The real question is, what is my child learning about telling me the truth? Because when a child feels safe, he or she doesn't hide. They don't pretend. they open up naturally and effortlessly without stress. And it depends on you. So welcome to ParentWise with MJ, where we raise wiser parents and better children. So if this spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other parents. Because sometimes the key to honesty is not control. It is connection. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.